Hey girls, we're going to start our reading lesson, and before you begin, let me tell you what you're going to need. You are going to need a whiteboard and your expo marker and an eraser out of your pencil box. You are also going to need this sheet. Mine's yellow, yours is white, but on the side it says plot, and it's beginning, middle, and end out of the Monday part of your folder. Looks like this. This is what you're going to do for your assignment today. So before we do that, we need to practice a word, one of our super words. And let me give you a hint. It has an H brother in it. I'm writing it right now. It also has an A sound at the end. Although it doesn't look like an A, it has that A sound. Does anybody know which sight word I'm talking about? What is that word? Do you remember? This word is the word they. It's spelled T-H-E-Y. They. What I would like you to do, we're going to play minute to win it. We're going to play minute to win it. Woohoo! So I want you to get ready. How do you spell they? Let me hear you. T-H-E-Y. And I'm going to keep track on the clock in the room while you write the word they over and over, and then we'll count how many we have, okay? All right, get your expo marker ready and your eraser, and when I say go, you're going to race the clock and see how many theys you can write. Make sure that it has to be spelled correctly and there's finger spaces in between, and I'm going to do it with you. Okay, on your marks. Get set, go. T-H-E-Y, they. T-H-E-Y, they. Keep going. We're halfway there. Keep going. We have 15 seconds left. Keep writing. They. T-H-E-Y. 5 seconds. 4, 3. Time's up. Oh, stop right there. How many did you get? I want you to circle and count just like me. See if you beat me. We got 1, 2. I'll stop counting because I don't want to mess up your counting. So circle your words, count them, and write your number in the corner. Okay, what did you get? I got 11. But, you know, I've been practicing writing this word my whole life. So, you know. How many did you get? Do you think you can beat your score? Okay, keep your number in the corner. Erase your board, please. Okay. Are you ready? We're going to do it for 1 more minute and see if you can write your score. And while you're doing that, I'm going to tell you when to go. And then I have to go grab our game board because I got to roll our dice. So, on your marks, get set, go. T-H-E-Y, they. T-H-E-Y, they, space. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. All right. Don't write anymore. Don't cheat. Okay, circle again. How many words did you get? Did you beat your score? I beat mine by 1. I got 12 this time. Woohoo! I hope you beat your score. If you didn't, you can try it one more time and ask your mom or dad to keep time for you if you would like. Okay. Go ahead and erase your boards, and you can put your marker back into your pencil box and your eraser back into your pencil box and put your board aside. And while you're getting ready to do that, I have a fresh game board for us right here. Dun, 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 dun. Remember, I'm yellow, so I'm gonna roll. All right, here we go. Ah, I got 1. Darn it. Okay, oops, I had it upside down. All right, there's my start. 1. Okay, I have to roll for you, so are you ready? Here we go. Oh, you got 2! Oh, man, you beat me. Oh, so here you are. Ready? 1, 2. You beat me, kindergartners. Good job. We'll keep using this game board throughout this week to see how far you get. Oh, man, I'm going to have to be up practicing all night again. See if I can roll my 6s. Okay, so pretty soon you are going to listen to our story of the week. It's called Farfallina and Marcella. Aren't those interesting names? And as you're listening to this story, I want you to think about, first of all, what's the story about? Who are the main characters? What's the setting? What's happening in the beginning, the middle, and the end? That's really important because in the beginning of the book, we introduce our characters. And then in the middle, usually there's a problem. In the end, usually the problem is solved. So what I want you to do as after you're listening to that story, or maybe even during the story, your plot sheet right here, the plot is really when we're thinking about what happens in the story, what happens in the beginning, what happens in the middle, and what happens in the end of the story. What you're going to do as you're listening to the story online, you are going to draw a picture of what happened in the beginning. What was the main thing that happened? And then I want you to practice writing a sentence about what happened in the beginning. Now remember, we know a whole bunch of super words like the word they that you can use to write. If you're not quite sure how to spell those words, they're found in your reading bag on that blue sheet. And then there's words that you don't know how to spell, and it's okay. You just sound them out. Stretch out the word like we've been talking about. Sound out the word. Okay, you only need 1 sentence. The same thing for the middle. What happens in the middle? I want you to draw a little picture up here. I want you to write a sentence at the bottom. And then finally, what happens at the end of the book? Draw a picture, write a sentence. And that's your assignment for today for reading. If you have any questions, just make sure that you ask me on Class Dojo, or your mom or dad can call or text me, okay? Have fun with your assignment, and it's going to be a close game this week. We'll see who wins. Have a great day.